Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of the animal kingdom. Today, we're venturing into the misty mountains of Central Africa to meet the majestic giants of the forest, the gorillas. These incredible creatures captivate us with their strength, intelligence, and gentle demeanor. As the largest of the great apes, gorillas share 98% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest relatives in the animal world. Habitat and distribution. Gorillas inhabit the dense forests of Central Africa, primarily found in the Congo Basin and the Virunga Mountains. These regions provide the perfect habitat, offering abundant vegetation and a cool, misty climate that supports their way of life. The Congo Basin, characterized by its vast and biodiverse rainforests, is home to the western lowland gorilla, while the Virunga Mountains, with their rugged terrain and volcanic soils, house the critically endangered mountain gorilla. These lush environments are not just homes but are vital for the gorilla's survival, providing them with a rich diet of leaves, stems, fruits, and bamboo shoots. The dense foliage offers protection from predators and human encroachment, creating a sanctuary where gorillas can maintain their intricate social structures. Gorillas live in family groups led by a dominant silverback, who ensures the group's safety and cohesion. The misty and cool climate of these regions helps regulate the gorilla's body temperature and supports the growth of the vegetation they depend on. However, these habitats are increasingly threatened by deforestation, poaching, and human conflict. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserve these environments and protect gorilla populations, ensuring that these majestic creatures can continue to thrive in their natural habitats. Social structure and family bonds. Gorillas live in close-knit family groups led by a dominant male known as a silverback. The silverback is responsible for protecting the group, mediating conflicts, and guiding them to feeding sites. His leadership is crucial for the family's survival, and he often decides when and where the group will move and rest. The bond within a gorilla family is strong, with social behaviors such as grooming and playing a crucial role in maintaining harmony and cohesion among group members. Grooming is an important social activity that helps to reinforce relationships and establish social hierarchies within the group. It is also a way for gorillas to keep their fur clean and free of parasites. Play is another vital activity, especially for the younger members, as it helps them develop physical skills and social connections that are essential for their growth and integration into the group. Females typically stay in the group they were born into, while males often leave upon reaching maturity to form their own groups. This dispersal helps to prevent inbreeding and encourages genetic diversity within gorilla populations. The strong family bonds and structured social interactions within gorilla groups highlight the complexity and depth of their social lives, emphasizing the importance of conservation efforts to protect these intricate social structures. Intelligence and communication. These primates are highly intelligent, capable of using tools and displaying a wide range of emotions. Gorillas have been observed using sticks to gauge water depth and crafting makeshift bridges, demonstrating their problem-solving skills and adaptability. Their cognitive abilities extend to social interactions, where they exhibit empathy, altruism, and even grief. Gorillas communicate through a rich array of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language. They use distinct sounds like grunts, roars, and hoots to convey various messages, such as alerting the group to danger, coordinating movements, or expressing contentment. Facial expressions, including the famous play face seen in juveniles, signal emotions and intentions, helping to prevent misunderstandings and maintain group cohesion. Body language also plays a critical role in their communication. Chest beating, for instance, is a display of dominance and strength, primarily used by silverbacks to assert control or intimidate rivals. Subtle gestures, like grooming invitations and affectionate touches, foster social bonds and reinforce alliances within the group. This sophisticated communication system is essential for navigating the complex social dynamics of gorilla families. It enables them to coordinate activities, resolve conflicts, and support one another, ultimately strengthening their familial bonds and enhancing their chances of survival in the wild. Diet and foraging. As herbivores, gorillas primarily consume a varied diet of leaves, fruits, bamboo shoots, stems, and occasionally flowers and bark. They spend a significant portion of their day foraging and feeding, typically dedicating around 6 hours daily to eating. This constant feeding ensures they obtain the necessary nutrients and energy to sustain their large, muscular bodies, which can weigh between 300 to 485 pounds in males and 150 to 250 pounds in females. Gorillas have a well-adapted digestive system that allows them to process a high-fiber diet efficiently. Their large molars and powerful jaw muscles enable them to chew tough plant material thoroughly. The diversity of their diet varies with the seasons and the availability of different plant species, making their foraging behavior closely tied to the health and diversity of their forest habitat. In fruiting seasons, gorillas will prioritize fruits, which are high in sugar and provide a quick energy boost. During other times of the year, they rely more heavily on fibrous plant parts like leaves and stems. This seasonal diet variation ensures they meet their nutritional needs year-round. The foraging activities of gorillas also play a crucial role in their ecosystem. As they move through the forest and consume various plants, they help with seed dispersal, contributing to forest regeneration and biodiversity. The health of their habitat directly impacts their diet and survival, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts to protect these vital forest ecosystems. The intricate relationship between gorillas and their environment underscores the necessity of preserving their natural habitats for their continued well-being. Conservation challenges. Despite their peaceful nature, gorillas face significant threats that jeopardize their survival. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation for agriculture, logging, and human settlement, is a primary concern. As forests are cleared, gorillas lose their home and vital food sources, pushing them into smaller, fragmented areas that cannot sustain large populations. Poaching poses another grave threat. Although hunting gorillas for bushmeat or trophies is illegal, it persists in some regions. Additionally, baby gorillas are often captured for the illegal pet trade, leading to the killing of adult gorillas protecting them. These activities drastically reduce gorilla numbers and disrupt their social structures. Conservation efforts are critical to addressing these challenges. Organizations and researchers work tirelessly to protect gorillas through various initiatives. Anti-poaching measures, such as patrols and law enforcement, help deter illegal hunting. Habitat protection and restoration projects aim to preserve and expand gorilla territories. Health monitoring and vaccination programs help manage disease risks. Through dedicated efforts, there is hope for the survival and recovery of gorilla populations. Protecting these gentle giants ensures the preservation of their vital role in maintaining the biodiversity and health of their forest ecosystems. Importance of conservation. Conserving gorillas is essential not only for their survival, but also for the health and balance of their entire ecosystem. The importance of gorilla conservation extends beyond ecological benefits. Ecotourism centered around gorilla trekking has become a significant source of funding for conservation efforts. Tourists from around the world are drawn to the opportunity to see these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. The revenue generated from ecotourism supports conservation programs, anti-poaching efforts, and habitat preservation. Moreover, it provides economic benefits to local communities, creating jobs and fostering a sense of stewardship for the environment. The conservation of gorillas is vital for preserving biodiversity, maintaining healthy ecosystems, and supporting sustainable economic development. Protecting these gentle giants ensures the continued health of their forest habitats and provides valuable benefits to local and global communities. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of gorillas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating wildlife documentaries. Together, we can make a difference in conserving our planet's incredible biodiversity. Until next time.